It's almost done.
Are you saying cheese?
No.
Cheese. Hey, don't touch it. Whoa! Go get your basket, like Danica. Go get your basket and be a basket head. Go get. Don't touch it. Hey, be nice. Don't push. Don't push her. Don't push her. Go get your basket. Danica, what are you doing? Careful.
Brother Bear and I made it, and now we're supposed to stuff it with.
Why didn't you say so? There's lots of fluff by the river. Oh, no!
Thank you, Hen. Dinner Bear.
Woo! Stand up. You're tough. Jaden, are you going to be basket head too?
Gosh!
Crash.
This should be enough. Thank you for helping me, everybody.
Go get her.
Lucy's friend is done.
Oh, she's coming to get you. Can you say bye-bye, Jay?
Having a good time.
No.
Say bye-bye.
Now that she has a friend to play with.
This.
Say bye-bye.
Colin Fisherman Bear.